Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VirtualBox 7.1.8 on Ubuntu 22.04. So first download by going to VirtualBox official website. Go to virtualbox.org. Click on download or download. Click on download, then click on Linux distributions. Then see here VirtualBox 7.1.8 for Linux, and we have to select the Ubuntu operating system version. I am on Ubuntu 22.04. If you are on 24.04, you have to select, you have to click on this one. So I am on Ubuntu 22.04. Click on it. See, once you click done, download will be started. See VirtualBox Debian package download started, and its size is 113 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads. ls, see here we have the VirtualBox Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg -i VirtualBox, give the tab, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, it is failed because we have to install this dependency. So copy this one, install it, sudo apt install, paste it, hit enter. We have to install this sudo -fix broken install, hit enter, type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. See, it is installing the whatever the error we got here. Okay, hit enter. Also see here it is adding the VBox users group. Now install the same package. It is already installed. Control it, ls, install this package, hit enter. See, this time we are not getting any error, which means we are successfully installing VirtualBox 7.1.8 on Ubuntu 22.04. But the process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. See, we have successfully installed VirtualBox 7.1.8. Control A. Now go to applications. So then go to next page. See here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it. See, we got the Oracle VirtualBox. Let me maximize it. Okay. Now we have to install the VirtualBox extension pack. Go to the web browser again. Go to home page. Click on download. Then read this license agreement for the VirtualBox extension pack. Then click on accept and download. See, download started. Click on this extension pack. It will open the VirtualBox. Then click on install. Select, read this license agreement and click on I agree. Now now provide the password for authentication. Then click on authenticate. Now it will install. See, installation is completed. Now click on help about VirtualBox. See here we have installed VirtualBox 7.1.8. Okay, close this one. Okay, now if you want to create virtual machine, click on new or machine and select new. Both options are same. Then here we have to provide the name for the virtual machine, folder to store the files, select the ISO image and other options. Okay, so go to the terminal. ls, these files are not required because we have successfully installed VirtualBox 7.1.8. rm Oracle. So we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download and install VirtualBox 7.1.8 on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.